Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Yes, we're gonna continue our requirement analysis for winter semester 2025, as we have already closed for summer semester 2025. In our video, in this series, we have already done 31, I would say. If I'm losing the count, then please bear with me, because I have also lost the count. But we have done 31, 32 around colleges already for summer semester 2025 and also winter semester 2025. In the previous two videos, we saw how to apply for Hochschule-Darmstadt for the course Electrical Engineering and IT, and I also showed you what are the requirements that they ask, what are the documents that they ask, and also luckily we had application open already. We also showed you guys how to apply for that particular college also. And please, people who are watching this video for the first time, the deadline for Hochschule-Darmstadt is March 31st, so please make sure you also go and check and apply by yourself by looking at the video before March 31st. In this video, it's just normal requirement analysis for some other college. So today I thought we will also go into embedded system course of Chemnitz University of Applied Science, because TU Chemnitz, that's also very famous, and TU Chemnitz is famous for embedded system. So we will do that requirement analysis. As usual, the search criteria will be the same. 94 results that we have got is for master degree electrical engineering, English third course, bilingual courses also is considered, and tuition fees is up to 5,000 euros, and this 5,000 euros college will be maximum 4 or 5. Most of them will be less than 500 euros. Then less than 50% online is also considered, because we had issue with Stuttgart college to find here, because it was listed in less than 50%. Then these are the things that we're gonna do. Let's get started. Before that, if you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to click like, share and subscribe, and also please share this video with people who are in need, so that they can also look into our videos, get to know the things and apply for themselves, and end up in getting a good university in Germany, and also study a good course in Germany. Without any ado, let's get started. As I told you, today we're gonna do electrical embedded systems for TU Chemnitz. Master degree in embedded system for Chemnitz University of Technology. We can go into it. As soon as we are in, we cannot do the bookmark now because we have lost the count. But we start with the overview. The degree is Master of Science in Embedded Systems. As it says Master of Science, so usually it will be 4 semester, because TU Chemnitz or Chemnitz, they say Applied Science. So usually these colleges are TU. So in TU and Master of Science, usually it will be 4 semester. Then technical language will be completely in English, but you have an option of doing German language courses, which you prefer when you're doing it. So you need to do, I guess, A1, A2 level, because we also saw that in other college other course that we were doing for Chemnitz University. But yes, that are considered as co-curricular activities, where you have to study a course, then also do a German language certificate, so that you will get the degree certificate at the end. So you need to finish that before you start your master thesis, I guess. Program duration is, as usual, we said 4 semester, and beginning is only in winter semester, not in summer semester. Then application deadline is, we have ample amount of time, it is until 15 July. Okay, here I didn't get the start date for the last college also, so we will count in application deadline of 15 July. We will usually keep on checking how we checked for other colleges. Then once it is open, then I will show you how to apply also. Tuition fees is none, combined master degree is none, and joint degree is also none. So in the description and content, you can just see the foundational knowledge is established through this following compulsory modules. So these are the compulsory modules that you need to do, which are digital components, architecture, data processing, digital signal processing, computer vision, smart sensor systems, project lab, design of software embedded system, real-time system. These are like basic. If you are saying an embedded engineer, then you need to know all these things based on real-time system, design of embedded system, and sensors, smart sensor systems, and also computer vision. These are the things that they are saying. These are the core modules that you need to study, but in course details we can just check how it is mapped. The compulsory subject is 47 credit points, and in this 47 credit points you need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the 9 subjects that you need to do in different semesters, semester 1 and semester 2, based on your interest. And then elective subjects, people has to do at least 43. So here 47 plus 43 will directly boils down to 90. So after this 90 credits is done, you need to just do your 30 credits of your master thesis. This is for one particular, say example, general way. But in embedded system, if you are applying for field system design, field of signal processing, field of embedded systems, and elective modules are these other things. So if you're selecting any of these modules based on your interest, then you can just look into it, what are the subjects that they are offering. So if you are interested in some of the system design more, then in elective you can take most of the system design courses here. Then if you are interested in most of signal processing, then you can also take and choose the subjects that you want to do. And this is what I told you. On a nutshell, you will do 47 credits of compulsory subjects and 43 credits of elective subjects. When it boils down to 90, then you will do your master thesis compulsory in final semester for 30 credit points. Then as soon as you finish your 120 credit point, then a diploma supplement will be issued at the end. Then international arrangements, project with the Prater, Germany and abroad you can also do. So this is what they have mentioned in course and details. Cost and funding is none. You need to fee, all students has to fee a semester contribution or semester fees approximately 296 to 300 euros. Once you pay this, you will also get the student travel ticket entire in Chemnitz at first. As of now, Deutschland ticket is running. That's the reason you can easily travel via Germany without any ticket, only in RVs, not in ICs. Once it is changed, then at least you will get, for this money, you will get the state ticket of Chemnitz or Chemnitz city ticket where you can travel freely. Then a cost of living is, they have estimated to 934, but anyway that doesn't matter for us because we are anyway in future, before coming we will block the amount, certain amount of money. Then that certain amount of money will be divided into 12 months and each month we will get that money at our bank account. Then in description of above mentioned funding opportunities, these are the funding opportunities that they have asked. Please go into that website and check how and all you can get your fundings. Then the main thing, requirement and administration. As usual, it's straightforward. You need to have a bachelor degree in electrical engineering and information technology. Nobody will have the same level of name in every of the bachelor degree. That's the reason they also say equivalent degree is also considered. So individual decision by the board of examination. So they will take the individual decisions, then you will get an admission. As I told you, electrical engineering, information technology, computer science, electrical and communication, electrical telecommunication, all these guys are fine to apply for this. So no need to worry, and please make sure you apply. Then IELTS is 5.5. Then you need to have a German according to university enrollment. You need to have a A1 when you provide the application. So you have to provide A1 certificate of German when you are applying only. Okay. Then you need to finish A2 before you start master thesis. So these are the two things that you have to make sure you are fulfilling. What is the things? The first thing is you are supposed to submit the A1 certificate while you are applying only. Before you finish the thesis, you need to provide the A2 certificate. These are the main things that we have to consider. Then 15 July is the following winter semester. Then application you have to do it via UniSS. It is not necessary to send the copies. They are also mentioned here. Please note that UniSS must receive all the application documents by the application deadline. So you don't need to send documents, but you need to at least apply before the deadline. So the deadline is 15 July for winter semester, and we are applying via UniSys, which will be direct as cakewalk. Then services would be our once you get an offer, then you can look for the student accommodation, career advisory, then possible of part-time jobs under the teacher, as a working as a research assistant and other things. Please look into these things and check. Once you got college, then you are coming for a Chemnitz and some time, then you can also book a buddy. So this buddy will help you settle down and start your studies. These are the things that I wanted to talk to you today about embedded systems in Chemnitz University of Technology. As I told you, most of the people who have studied also will say this course is good at this university. So please make sure you apply for this also and check. Now I will take some time and put all information in our Excel sheet. Then we will also continue. Now I took some time and filled in all details, and this is our Excel sheet that we are offering. And here you can just see the serial numbers and colleges and where to apply, other things that we have already did. So these are the green ones are the ones which we have already made video on how to apply, and the white ones are still open or we missed the deadline last time when we are applying for summer semester. But in winter semester we are good because we already started from FAU Erlangen, I think, as the first of winter semester, and Technical Hochschule Cologne will also, we can start next videos. But yeah, Darmstadt University we have anyway already finished, and in 32nd college we got to have a Technical University of Chemnitz for embedded system, which will be ending July 15th. So which is we gonna apply via UniSys. This is what I wanted to talk to you today about Chemnitz University of Applied Science or Chemnitz University of Technology Embedded System. In next video, as I told you, I will also check into technical auxiliary clone if that application is open. If that is open, then I will also make directly application video. Otherwise, we will take up another college and do a requirement analysis. That will be our next video. See you in next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.